Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to format text in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not yet familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first timer, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you want a beginner's guide on how to do basic stuff here in Google Slides and other software such as Google Sheets and Google Docs, we already have a dedicated video that guides you as a beginner or a first timer in these mentioned softwares. And if you want more separate tutorials, we already have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials on our YouTube channel. Before starting, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, like, and comment your suggestions down below. Also, before beginning with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using, either you are on Mac or you are in Windows, is completely up to date. And this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now let's begin to the tutorial itself. In today's video, we are going to tackle how to format text when it comes to making it bold, italic, underline, change its color, and many more. Now this is what it should look like after. We can change its color, we can put bulleted list, but the bulleted list option, we have already created a tutorial for that, so please be sure to check it out. You can change its font size, and its color. So let's get started. Right here, I have another slide, and now I would just type in here real quick. Now as you can see, I have the same text. Sorry, it should be should, but it is the same. We have the similar text right over here, but this is the one with text formatting and this is the one without text formatting. And at first glance, all we can tell that this one is much more appealing and eye-pleasing than this one. So to change, let's say for example, I want to change the font. To change the font, all you have to do is to highlight the text that you have entered by clicking and dragging across like so, and then heading over to this upper panel wherein it says Arial, because it is the default font for Google Slides. Click on this font one, and as you can see, we got different options that we can choose from right over here. You may have to download some of them if you have not yet downloaded it, but most of them comes here for free by default. In my case, I would like it to turn this way, which is the Pacifico font. All you have to do is to click on it once, and now as you can see, our font changes, and it's similar to these contents right over here. Just click and drag to highlight it and then change its font right over here. Now if I would like to increase the line spacing for this one, all I have to do is to head over to the upper panel and then find this option, click on it once, and click on whatever I would like it to be. Now as you can see, we already have made differences here. Now to click on bold, all you have to do is to head over to this one, the B icon right over on our upper panel, which will make our word thicker. I for italic, which will make it look like it's slanted, and U for underline. And as you can see, we can format our text really easily, as simple as that. Now to decrease the font size, all you have to do is to head over to the section of the upper panel. As you can see, we have the minus icon and the plus icon. If we put or use the minus icon, it will decrease our font size by 1 point usually, and then the plus icon to increase the font size. Now to change the color, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is to highlight the phrase, word, or sentence again, and then head over to this logo wherein it has a letter A and then a color below it. Click on it once, and as you can see, it will drop down multiple colors. You can add your custom color right over here, or for me, I'm going to use this preset right over here. And then in this case right here, I would like it to turn into red. And as simple as that, we can format our text in Google Slides. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.